Praise to Jesus and Mary.
now and forever.
At the statement, his face fell, and he went away sad, for he had many possessions. Brothers and sisters, in our gospel today, a young man wanted to follow Jesus. And he is not a bad person. Hindi man siya bad. On the other hand, he observed all the commandments. You shall not kill, you shall not commit adultery, honor your father and mother, and so on and so forth. And yet, what is lacking in this young man? Jesus said to him, "Go, sell what you have, and give to the poor." You know, this is the same gospel that St. Francis read in his early conversion that led him to really choose the vocation to follow the Lord totally. And I think not only him, but even the saint we see today, we are celebrating today, Saint Augustine of Canterbury. And according to the exegesis of many saints and doctors, the problem with the young man is not much on wealth or money. Money. What is the problem is his attachment to these things. Because why? Because there are many saints that are rich. Diba? May mga santong mayayaman, mga hari, reyna, just like Saint Elizabeth of Hungary. The problem is attachment. Instead of using the money to do good, he was attached to that good that he has. And you know, the situation of the young man is the same situation of many Christians. Even those in the church, even priests, religious and sisters and so on. Attachment. Attachment to parents, attachment to one's own opinion, attachment, nalala ko kayo sa parokya, sa upuan, sa simbahan. I remember, where is it? Nag-aaway yung dalawang sister. Hindi nag-aaway dyan. Kasi kinuha niya yung upuan ko, dyan ako nakaupo. Attachment to the person, attachment to places. Sinabi, sister, assign ka doon sa ibang convent, assign ka sa mission, especially. Ayaw ko, kasi ganito na ako kasi. Attachment is the devil's possession of us. Alamin natin, the devil sometimes possess us with obviously, but you know, most of the time, the devil possess us with this small attachment. And remember the story of Saint Teresa of Lisieux, if I'm not mistaken. In his diary, one time, I think it was a old man or something, and she said, God does not want me. And Saint Francis, our Seraphic Father, one time when he was praying, he was attached to that, I think, may ginawa siyang wood carving. And it's always in his mind. What did he do? He He went out, took the carvings, and broke it into pieces. And what did he say? You will not rob me of my God. Hindi mo kukunin sa akin si Lord. Hindi mo nanakawin sa akin si Lord. Bakit ikaw ang nasa isip ko? May ganda yan. Sa isip. And Saint John of the Cross teaches us well about attachment. Ano sabi ni Saint John of the Cross? It's like a bird. Ibon, hindi kaya kalahati, no? Kapag kinalian mo ng maliit na pisig, kahit maliit na gamay na pisig, it will not fly. Sabi niya, fly away, sky like pigeon fly. Hindi na maka-fly. Hindi na makalupad yung ibon. Just with that simple pisig or tie or knot. The same thing. Many religious, many Christians, they cannot fly to the heights of contemplation, of prayer life, because of many attachment. Attachment to priest, attachment to parish, attachment to on and so forth. And perhaps, if we have difficulty in meditation, that is the point of our meditation. Or, most of all, our examination of conscience. Lord, Mama Mary, kung sama na akong attachment right now. And you know, this is one of the best instruments, I tell you, of the devil to put us little by little into hell. Sabi nga, for God who's singing song ko, attachment is the devil's elevator. Elevator to hell. Kaya kita niyo si St. Augustine of Canterbury. If he is attached to his diocese or to his community, sa Benedictine, his monastery, he will not go to mission. But because he was detached, and obedience help us, obedience help us to practice detachment. Kaya yung iba, pag na-attach, one thing, one vow we always put in jeopardy. And what is that? The vow of obedience. Because obedience help us to be detached. Sister, brother, mother, father, alis ka dyan. Alis ka na dyan. Tapos na yung inyong burn. Alis ka na dyan. You are already put it into that doon ka sa iyong doon ka sa iyong sa mission. See? And we always fell from the devil's trap. Because attachment does not put on what we do not like. It is always what we like. Kaya tayo na-attach, di ba? Ay, hindi si Father ang mag-misa. Ay, hindi si choir. Di na ako magsisimba. Di na ako pupunta dyan. Careful. Maraming ganyan. Whether it be in the parish, whether it be in the monastery, in the convent, those are the devil's work. Kaya nga, mag-ingat tayo mga brothers and sisters, kasama na ako. In this Holy Mass, let us offer to God, to St. Augustine, the attachment we have in our life today. Lord, I offer you this attachment in my life. Free me, so that I may fly away, sky and intercede for us, so that we will not be like the young man in the gospel, attached to his many possessions and his richness, and be free, just like the saint, to embrace God, to have a union, true union with God. Praise be Jesus and Amen.
now and forever.
Please all stand.